Welcome back, everybody. You're watching Brotuned, and today we're doing the Thanksgiving challenge from dayattherange.com. If you guys want to participate in this challenge, go to dayattherange.com, download a target, get out and shoot it. Super fun. So here we go. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're doing the Day at the Range challenge, the turkey shootout. So we're using RWS special match for this one. I reinstalled the razor. Not too sure where it's going to be zeroed. It should be pretty close because we never touched anything since we took it off. See if it returns a 0. And my theory for this one, since we can only use 10 shots including foulers, my first shot at the 15-point target, that's the smallest one. That way I could see where my miss is and hold there on after, basically, just to make sure I'm making hits. So let's get to shooting. Sorry about a couple weeks without videos. I've been busy doing the siding here on my addition and also getting stuff ready for winter. Weather's been absolute garbage as well. So today I have a decent day and my wife's not home. So she's working from home out of her office and she doesn't like guns going off while she's working. So she's gone for now. We can quickly get this target, put some holes in this target. Let's do it. I believe that's a hit. I'm gonna go for the second smallest ones, the 5-pointers. Way off. That's a hit, I think. That was a miss for sure. So we're hitting right quite a bit. There, cleared it for sure this time. Pretty sure I got the other one. I'm gonna move up to the 2-pointers. How could you miss that? Other side. And that's it. Didn't do too well. Maybe I might switch up ammo and try it again. Not sure if it was the wind or what, but 27 out of 30. Now let's try a different ammunition. So here we are now with RWS rifle match. Let's see if we have any better luck. That last target didn't fare so well. I'm gonna aim again at the highest point target there and we'll go from there. I believe that was a hit. Bottom right. Just missed off the right side. Not doing so well. Don't think we got it. Go for the left target. Believe that was a hit. Middle to top left. Way off the right side. Right one. That was a hit. Got one left. Go back to the left side. Same hole, I think. Well, let's go see how I did. Well, this time around we did a little bit better. Not as good as I'd like. I'd like to clear this like nothing, but with the wind and the weather we ended up with a 29. So just gonna show you quick here. Yeah, not too bad. Wasn't my best performance for sure, but it definitely worked out. We got 29 out of 30. I might do this challenge again, maybe tomorrow if I get the chance. My wife goes out to work and if the weather's all right. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
Never go full retard.